Quality, flavour, tradition. These three simple words characterise the La Suissa confectionery industry, which was established in 1981 and now takes its products to 50 countries all over the world. This company regularly reinvents chocolate in constantly changing shapes and varieties. And when you step into the factory in Arquata Scrivia, Piedmont, you get the feeling you are in a family-run business. The rigorous care that La Suissa puts into production and quality control, from its chocolates to its Easter eggs, leads to inimitable products that make each tasting moment a special, pleasure-filled occasion. Chocolate is the real star in Arquata Scrivia. 3 production lines operate at full capacity every day to make up to 25 tons of this yummy treat, full of nutritional qualities. A 4th line produces Easter eggs only. These lines are supplied with different types of chocolate, stored in tanks that can hold a total of 150 tons. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, hazelnut chocolate, cocoa cream, soft nut chocolate and many, many more. All selected and made to the highest standards of quality. A computerized system sends the chocolate to the production lines along steel pipes. Once the chocolate is tempered to bring it to just the right temperature, it is poured into heated moulds. The mould vibrates so the chocolate can spread evenly. For filled truffles, the mould is then tipped upside down to form the shell, into which nuts or cereals can be added. The next step is to pour the filling into the shell, which is sent through the first cooling tunnel, and then the bottom is poured on. The excess chocolate is trimmed off the top, and the mould is then conveyed along the second cooling tunnel. The chocolate truffles are then removed from the mould and passed through the detectors according to good manufacturing practice and standards. The basic process is the same for all 3 lines. The difference lies in the variety of products, made in different moulds and with any number of fillings, to satisfy the whims of consumers all over the world. Different machines are also required for the wrapping, to adapt to the characteristics of the products that are then weighed and packaged. On the other hand, artisan methods are used to carefully and meticulously pack boxes of chocolate truffles. Each box is packed by hand to surprise the customer as soon as it is opened. After the packaged products are palletized, they are moved to a large 5,000 square metre storage area before final delivery. La Suissa is just another way of saying quality. Each single ingredient is controlled each step of the way, from the time they enter the process until the time the finished product is analysed in an in-house lab, with the added support of an external certified laboratory. Our effort has been recognised, driving the company to ongoing improvement. Here's just one example. La Suissa is sparing no efforts to certify all its products as gluten-free, so that consumers who are gluten intolerant feel completely secure about eating our products. In terms of environmental compatibility, the Zero Emission Factory has started up a process to reduce water consumption by using closed-circuit cooling systems. About 50 people work to grow La Suissa every day. The aim is to consolidate the existing customers and expand into foreign markets. At the moment, 35% of the total revenues come from sales abroad, where it occupies a foremost position in the European Union, UK, Sweden, Denmark, Poland, Spain and others, and in a number of other countries throughout the world: Canada, United States, Russia, Hong Kong, Arab Emirates, Japan and Singapore. The company is a guarantee for the leading brands of modern retail in terms of controls, high-technology plants and punctual deliveries. The challenge for the future is to become even more competitive in a constantly evolving market. La Suissa is ready to take up this challenge as enthusiastically as ever, to make sure quality, flavour and tradition continue to be a way of life with us here in the Arquata Scrivia factory.